especially if he comes back for a second look.
Get out of your way. How's that sound? It's a bit like being on an aircraft carrier, huh?
A little bit.
Yeah, buddy.
Got that?
That never gets old, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're thrill seekers.
As you say, that guy.
Yeah, it's great. Puts hair on your chest.
Yeah.
People love it. The other plane's got to get off the runway first, so it might be a minute. Only one runway. But now you can see the danger signs. Where are you guys staying?
That's like yesterday we watched all the idiots getting blown.
Yeah. Sit there on your terrace with a cocktail.
Watch people
Either
get blown
cheers
away.
to stupidity.
Yeah.
There you go.
God bless America.
That's right.
All right, he's going.
All right, here he goes.